English is a very tricky language to pronounce. If you're a non-native speaker of English, you probably know that you're making some mistakes. What you might find surprising is that the mistakes you're making are not unique. In fact, they're highly predictable. When you speak English, you're taking sounds and intonations from your native language and using those sounds and intonations in English. Most non-native speakers make the same mistakes on the same words. So really, English is the problem, not you. That being said, you are the one standing in front of your boss unintentionally using a curse word. You are the one confusing your friends by pronouncing a word in a way that makes it sound like a different word. You are the one that has to repeat yourself multiple times to be understood, and you are the one with the power to fix it. I'm going to help you do that right now. If English is not your native language, here are the biggest mistakes you're probably making.
Say this sentence out loud. I'll give you a moment. Did you say bald man, or did it sound like bold man? Try again. If you said bold, you tend to confuse the vowel O and the vowel ah. Here's how we fix it. When you pronounce O, your lips need to push forward. When you pronounce ah, you need to drop your jaw. Try that in these words. Cold, called, bowl, ball, low, la. Good. Moving on. Now try this sentence out loud. Did 3 sound like tree when you said it? If so, you're substituting other sounds for TH. So now let's fix this one. TH is the most common sound in English, and it doesn't exist in most other languages. This makes it an easy target for sound substitutions. This becomes a big problem when a sound substitution changes a word into a different word. When you say TH, your tongue, just the very tip of your tongue, should go between your teeth. This will make these word pairs sound different. So let's try that together. In the first column, make sure your tongue is between your teeth. In the second column, your tongue can be right behind your teeth, a little above where the teeth and gums come together. Let's try them both. They, day, mouth, mouse, thank, tank. Be sure that these words sound different when you're speaking. If they sound the same, you are making a big mistake. Last one. Try this sentence out loud. Did you say beach? Are you sure? You need to be sure about this one, because if not, you just called someone a bitch, which is very insulting, and it also means that you probably confuse the vowel E and the vowel I. And that is the #1 speech mistake that you are probably making. This is a huge problem because, as you can see, it often turns a perfectly harmless word into a profanity. If English is not your first language, you've probably made this mistake, and let's hope you didn't offend anyone, but you have probably given them a good laugh. Let's fix this right now so you don't make this embarrassing mistake ever again. Here's how we fix it. When you pronounce the vowel E, your mouth opens east to west, side to side, so it feels like you are smiling inside your mouth, and your tongue feels a little bit wide inside your mouth. When you pronounce the vowel I, your mouth moves north and south, or up and down, so your jaw drops a little and your tongue drops a little with it. Let's try that on these words. Beach, bitch, sheet, shit, peace, piss. Most people are worldly enough to understand that these mistakes are a component of your accent, but why take a chance in creating such an awkward situation? Practice so that you permanently fix these mistakes in your speech. Your thoughts and ideas are so important. Take control of the way you express your ideas to the world. Do you make any of these mistakes when you speak? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more speech improvement lessons.